The world is changing faster than ever. AI is replacing jobs, writing books, diagnosing diseases, and even making millionaires overnight. So here's the truth, if you're not learning AI now, you're already falling behind. But the good news, it's never been easier to get ahead, if you know where to start. In this video, we're going to break down why AI is the future, your future, and how you can start mastering it today, no matter your background or experience. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities because the future is here, and it's powered by AI. You know, when we look up at the night sky, we see the vastness of the universe, billions of stars and galaxies light years away. It's awe-inspiring, humbling, and makes us realize just how much we don't know. But here's the thing about the universe. It's constantly evolving, changing, and expanding, and you know what? The same thing is happening right here on Earth, right now with technology. We're in the midst of a technological revolution, an explosion of knowledge and innovation, and at the heart of it all is artificial intelligence. Now, some people hear AI and they think science fiction, robots taking over the world. And hey, I love a good sci-fi movie as much as the next astrophysicist. But the reality of AI is even more exciting, more profound than anything we could have imagined just a few decades ago. AI isn't just coming, it's already here. It's all around us, quietly shaping our lives in ways we might not even realize. Think about it. When Netflix recommends a show you can't stop binge-watching, that's AI at work, analyzing your viewing habits, predicting what you'll enjoy. When you ask Siri or Alexa to set a reminder or play your favorite song, that's AI understanding your words, interpreting your needs. And self-driving cars, that's AI navigating complex environments, making decisions in real time. We're talking about machines learning from data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions, sometimes even better than we can. This is transforming industries, from healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment. Repetitive tasks are being automated, freeing up humans to focus on more creative, strategic work. And we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. The truth is, the gap between those who understand AI and those who don't is widening every single day. It's like having a powerful telescope that lets you see further, understand more than everyone else. And in a world that's changing as rapidly as ours, that kind of understanding, that kind of foresight is invaluable. So, you might be thinking, okay, AI is important, but what does it mean for me? I'm not a computer scientist, I don't have a degree in robotics. And you know what? That's perfectly fine. Because learning AI isn't about becoming some kind of tech wizard overnight, it's about expanding your horizons, upgrading your skill set, and opening yourself up to a world of possibilities. Look, we humans were naturally curious beings. We're driven to explore, to understand, to push the boundaries of what's possible. And learning AI is like taking that innate curiosity and aiming it at the most transformative technology of our time. It's about becoming a lifelong learner, an adapter, someone who thrives on change and innovation. And the benefits? They're not just about future-proofing your career, although that's a big one. Learning AI supercharges your ability to think critically, solve problems creatively, and lead in any field. Let me explain. AI is all about data. It's about taking massive amounts of information, finding the hidden connections, and extracting meaningful insights. And that skill, my friends, is invaluable in any profession. Whether you're in marketing, trying to understand consumer behavior, or in finance, analyzing market trends, or even in the creative arts, looking for new ways to express yourself, AI can give you the edge. Imagine this, you're working on a project, and you're drowning in data spreadsheets, reports, customer feedback. It feels overwhelming, right? But now, imagine you have the skills to use AI tools to analyze that data for you, to identify the key trends, the hidden patterns. Suddenly, you're not just swimming in data, you're surfing on it, riding the wave of information to make smarter, faster, and more impactful decisions. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to harness the power of AI. There are incredible tools available right now like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and countless automation platforms that are designed to be user-friendly, accessible to everyone. These tools can help you automate repetitive tasks, generate creative content in seconds, and even build your own AI-powered applications without writing a single line of code. We're talking about a world where you can automate hours of your work, freeing up your time and energy to focus on the things you truly love. We're talking about a world where you can generate stunning visuals, write compelling stories, and even compose music, all with the help of AI. And we're talking about a world where you can build your own AI-powered startup from your bedroom, disrupting industries and creating the future you want to see. Chapter 3. Your first steps into the AI revolution. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, Neil, but where do I even begin? And that's the best part. Getting started with AI is easier than you might think. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and in the case of AI, that step can be as simple as embracing your curiosity and diving in. Think of it like exploring a new planet filled with strange and wonderful creatures, breathtaking landscapes, and endless possibilities for discovery. You wouldn't expect to map the entire planet on day one, would you? You'd start small, explore your surroundings, and gradually venture further out, driven by your curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. The same principle applies to learning AI. There are countless free resources available online, from YouTube tutorials to interactive courses on platforms like Coursera and edX. These resources break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making it easy for anyone to understand the fundamentals of AI, regardless of your background. And the best way to learn? By doing. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, experiment with different AI tools, and apply what you're learning to real-world problems. Start with something simple, like using ChatGPT to automate a repetitive task or generate content ideas. Then, as you become more comfortable, gradually challenge yourself to explore more advanced concepts and tools. Remember, learning AI is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly expanding your knowledge, adapting to new technologies, and staying one step ahead of the curve. And the more you learn, the more you'll realize just how much more there is to discover. Embrace the unknown, ask questions, and don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly evolving, which means there's always something new to learn, something new to create, and something new to explore. We're living in an extraordinary time, a time of unprecedented technological advancement. And at the forefront of it all is artificial intelligence. It's shaping our world, transforming industries, and creating opportunities that we could only have dreamed of just a few years ago. The people who will thrive in this new world, the ones who will lead the AI revolution, are the ones who are preparing for it today. They're the ones who are embracing curiosity, learning new skills, and using AI to unlock their full potential. So I ask you, will you be watching the AI revolution from the sidelines or leading it? If you're ready to stay ahead in life, start learning AI right now. The future belongs to those who dare to shape it. The people who will thrive in the future are already preparing for it today. So will you be watching the AI revolution from the sidelines or leading it? If you're ready to stay ahead in life, start learning AI right now.